Khelo India Nationals under 21, and I won a silver medal in 100 meters freestyle. I don't have much to say, but I'm very thankful and grateful to Ma'am Monica, the director, and my coaches who helped me out through the competition.
My name is Suman Patil and I'm in under 21, and I have won in 3 events, that is 50 fly, 100 butterfly and 50 freestyle. So in 100 fly, bronze, 50 freestyle, 50 freestyle bronze and 50 butterfly silver.
This year the competition level was a little bit high and the performance is also good because we were giving so much good facilities, because we went by flight, no tiring, like the traveling was not so much, so the performance level was good.
काफ़ी अच्छी बाउट रही थी मेरी। जो सेमीफाइनल्स थे मेरे ओपोनेंट भी काफ़ी टफ था, बट बहुत ही सिमिलर मार्जिन से मैं लूज़ करा फाइट को। होप सो कि नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं गोल्ड लेके आऊँगा और गोवा बॉक्सिंग एसोसिएशन को गोल्ड मेडल दूँगा।
Won the gold. Our swimmers, boxers, they did well. Even those who lost really fought well because it was really a tough competition.